I'm tired, is what you say to yourself every time you yawn. But you didn't ask your body to do that, and it just automatically did it. Welcome to knowing your body in 20 seconds. So, yawning happens when your brain needs more oxygen or it needs to cool down and reset so you could stay focused. That deep breath increases alertness, helps the brain regulate its temperature, and keeps it functioning properly. So, yawning isn't about you being tired, it is your body trying to reset so you can stay sharp even when you're tired. Hope you learned something new today. You